Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss arguments versus parameters in function. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss. So C functions passes information with the help of parameters and arguments. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss parameters. So the term parameter refers to any declaration within parentheses following the function name in a function declaration or definition. Or in other words, we can say a parameter is a variable in a function definition or declaration. And now moving on to arguments. So the term argument refers to any expression within the parenthesis of a function call, or in other words we can say the arguments are the data that can be passed at the time of function call. So I hope it is clear to you. Now guys, we have few rules for arguments and parameter. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss these rules. So the number of arguments in a function call must be the same as the number of parameters in the function definition. And this number can be 0. The maximum number of arguments and the corresponding parameters can be 253 for a single function. Now let's go ahead. And arguments are passed by value. So it means when a function is called, the parameter receives a copy of the argument's value, not its address. And the rule applies to all scalar values, structures and unions passed as a arguments. And modifying a parameter does not modify the corresponding argument passed by the function call. However, because arguments can be addresses or pointers, a function can use addresses to modify the values of variables defined in the function calling. So guys, now I will explain you this in the Turbo C++ compiler. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, now I will explain you the parameters and arguments with the help of this program. So as we discussed, a parameter is a variable in a function declaration or in function definition. So here we have passed two variables. So these are the parameters and this is the function definition. So these two are also the parameters. And now this is function calling and we are passing these two variables a and b in this function swap. So basically I am passing the values of a and b to this function, and when function calling takes place, the value of a will be passed to x and the value of b will be passed to y. So these a and b are the arguments here. The number of arguments in the function call must be the same as the number of parameters in the function definition, and this number can be 0, and the maximum number of arguments and the corresponding parameters can be 253 for a single function. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.